Yeah, I am Prabhakaran from Bangalore. You know very well who I am, where I am, what I am, what I am doing. Is it? Yeah, I was familiar person, famous person, popular person, northeast, west, south of world because no privacy in my life, no secrecy in my life. Since from 45 years, there is no any privacy, there is no any secrecy in my life. Everybody misusing. Hmm. Suppose I go on competitive exam, what I am writing, everybody writing because there is no privacy. I go any departmental exam, what I am writing, everybody copying because there is no secrecy. So I plan to go somewhere. Where I am going, what I am doing, everybody know it because there is no privacy and secrecy in my life. What I am going to do, if I think, they will know it immediately because there is no privacy in my life. It is not today. I think when I was studying Magdi Road SMS English School, fifth class, third standard, I think. One day I was missing. Yeah, one day. When I was missing, opportunely I was found out by Sri Sarada Ramakrishna Swami Vivekananda Ashramam people, and they will send to me my parents. Since from I was observing there is no privacy, and moreover, whatever hard work, whatever sincerity, whatever effects, whatever we do, there is no gain, always pain. Why? I don't know that. They are saying people reverse option is there. Whatever we doing, there is a one reverse option is there. So before doing, you should be careful. If you do today, tomorrow someone do it. It's a very dangerous one. You are God doing yourself. I ask, this is a detective, an investigation. Now, what kind of offense we did? I ask. No, we never say. If we feel someone from past childhood, I think that more than lakhs girls we will think they are not our girlfriends, they are not our wives, they are not our lovers. We think, we meet railway station, bus stand, any public place, we meet so many people, so many beautiful girls. They are not our friends. We will think our beauty, we will think ourselves, we will comment ourselves. Why? Because nature is given God. A beauty we have expressed. That's what one of my friend says that you see and enjoy the beauty, don't spoil it. In the sense, you will see the enjoy the beauty of a flower, but don't touch and don't spoil. But while seeing, you are enjoying very much without knowing yourself. A beautiful dialogue. No, it's not a dialogue. It's experimented from the others. If you do good, we will do good things. If you do bad, everybody does bad. So if I do good, everybody does good, no, then I will do good. I never go to bad. Our United States of America President Barack Obama says that there is no any power to kill any people. That never said God and universal. But you are using chemical weapon and killing more people by breathing air. It is offense. We will teach a lesson. Yeah, correct. I support. Not only I support, every educated will support it. To protect a life of other persons. If you omit today, tomorrow someone will do it. The small compromise, tomorrow it become a big compromise. We compromise today, tomorrow the whole nation will be misused by the chemical weapon, breathing air, and all people will die. So small compromise is very dangerous. So that big compromise cannot be feasible for the small compromise. If I taken 70,000 rupees, I'm not taken, for example, I said, if I taken a 70,000 rupees, it's a small compromise, I will refund it to the one particular, say the particular, what you called, any office. It's a small compromise, it's over when you return it. When I take 60 crores, this will be returnable to the same office. Impossible. It is highly impossible. There is no compromise. There is law and action will be taken. But they people says, no, he will take for the 70,000 rupees, I will take 70 crore. Why you have been not furnishing him? 70,000 is a small amount, no compromise. That's what we setting it, 70,000 small amount, no compromise. There, the 70 crores also no compromise. Because they are pinpointing others. But I can return the 70,000, but you cannot return 70 crore where you theft. Is it possible? The law never excuse, never compromise. Whatever you have, high influence. Because today is highly technological. Whatever you're doing, they will immediately scanning each and every body, brain of your thought, things, everything. Easily, the offender will be catched. That's what, respectable Rahul Gandhi said. A small compromise today will make tomorrow big compromise. This nonsense in the sense when few people will agree, other few people will not agree. This make a nonsense. Understand? You not understand. See, qualified people are using nonsense, stupid, idiot, common sense. This word will be used. It is not unparliamentary. It is a parliamentary words. Nonsense in the sense, a small amount, a people can compromise, we can compromise, and big amount will people not compromise. So that this nonsense, agreeing some things, not agreeing something, make a nonsense in some places. The law is not applicable. My view, it is what you called, when law is not applicable, this view, the audience will be thrown out, not turn out, will throw out it. Moreover, today I was felt myself something. USA government helping all other countries, finance, food, education, jobs, everything they are helping. They are our head. They are providing each and everything to us. The other countries are old tradition, old style. They have been modern technology. We need USA coordinately friendship because they are helping us basic, below basic, above basic needs. We don't have basic ourselves. Basic needs we don't have. The basic needs we are getting from the other countries. But what I am to go to say, USA President today announced non-profit organization completely closed, abolished, because we are suffering 20 crore million per month of loss. Even post office closed. Whole system of delivery system has been closed, and public health department has been closed. And 20 include all American and other peoples. More than 20,000 people or lakhs, I don't know exactly. They people are jobless. See, USA is our president prime office. They suffer 20 lakh people are unemployment for due to heavy loss. Non-public utilities department. That is essential service. What we call as police, postal, hospital, and traveling, charitable. This service make this much of loss. When rich country says it, we have GDP rate 1 rupee equal to 64 rupees. 64, we are suffering 34 rupees. 1 rupee equal to 34 paisa, sorry. Where we should go? India is a corrupted country. All political people, all rich people, they are become corrupted. For example, I want to say one person. 1 hour, we call as mother. A lady entering the politics daily basis as a zero budget. Today, not today, after 5 to 10 years, she became a 76 crores property owner. Now we don't know how much crores, how much million is there. Swiss bank account confidential, we doesn't know it. Not only the particular state, everywhere. The same things as followed. One more our Singapore friends. 1,78 crores. When they enter the political, they have been zero. Then they become 178 crore corrupted money. Why? Is it necessary? I ask, is it necessary? No. And yesterday we have seen Bihar. 97 crores. We are suffering for what you called 1 lakh we have not seen today. Where is crores? Individual family will enjoy it. Today there is no demand for any field. Supply more, no demand. Very rare demand. Optimistic job, education, property, everything is very difficult today economy. Moreover, there is no privacy. Very dangerous is life. God only knows the how to protect him. Today, terrorism more, rowdyism is more, unemployment is more, everything is more. One honest, hard work, sincerable person cannot maintain it. Why? Reverse. Today someone fraud it, the other should suffer. He also fraud it. Because he should know the value of pain, they are saying. This dangerous is very highly inflammable in the life thoughts. Now I want to say, start to say something. It goes world news. In world news, USA, I said USA is helping all other countries cross together basic needs to the other countries. I don't think future we will never get it. So that we will secure our freedom basic needs at least one day, one meal. That is Indian political. When my personal life I'm entering again, when sixth standard studying, I am suffering privacy and secrecy in my life. When there is no privacy and secrecy in my life, since from 40, sorry, yeah, since from 35 years, how I was living with the world, all the people, all kind of the people in the world. Wherever I go, there is no secrecy. What I think they will, other will immediately capture the words. They misuse it. Very dangerous life I am saying it. I started Magadi Road 5th class, SMS English School. Then I started in, yeah, in Tamil Nadu someplace. Then I started again Bangalore. My careers, even though there is no any privacy, because of no secrecy, no privacy, makes me alone, one and only. Uh, that much. Today, I would like to say that privacy is must. Where the people, enemies can be avoided. There is no privacy, enemy is more. They will misuse our lifestyle. Enemies become more. We cannot forward any life. So privacy is must, secrecy is must for any individual life.